Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you several ways how you can make your Microsoft Edge web browser faster, improve its overall performance, and speed up downloads, for example. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Microsoft Edge, launch it on your laptop or on your desktop computer. And there are basically three different changes you may apply in your browser settings to increase or improve your browser's performance. The first one would be to clear your browsing data, especially cached images and files as well as cookies. To do that, click on these three dots here on the top right corner of your home tab of Bing. So what you want to do, guys, is click on settings here, and after that head over to the privacy, search and services tab here on the left panel and click on clear browsing data here to the right. After that, click on choose what to clear here and simply select the time range for the data you would like to delete. Like for example, all time if you want to get the best results. So below, simply select the parts of your browsing data you would like to delete. I recommend to delete the browsing data as well as the download history, and especially the cookies and other site data as well as the cached images and files, especially if these cached files take up a lot of space. Because technically speaking, the more cached files you store in your browser, the slower some websites may load. So guys, what you want to do after that is select other features like site permissions or autofill data and so on and so forth. Confirm by clicking on clear now and let Edge delete your browsing data with one click of your mouse. The next thing I would recommend to do is to make sure that your Microsoft Edge web browser is up to date and that you're using the most recently released version. To do that, click on About Microsoft Edge at the bottom of that panel here to the left. And after that, Edge will automatically scan or search the internet for any updates. And if there are any updates, you will be notified here so that you may download these with one click of your mouse to update your web browser, and that may already lead to a performance improvement. And the third and last step I would recommend you do is to make sure that you remove or at least disable all unnecessary extensions in your Microsoft Edge web browser. For instance, if these are slowing down your browser and if you don't need them anymore. So to do that, simply head back to your home tab. After that, click on these three dots in the top right corner of your browser and simply hover your mouse or select extensions from that menu here. After that, click on Manage Extensions, and here you will see a list of all installed and running extensions in your Edge web browser. So what you want to do is, guys, you either simply disable or turn off the given extension here to the right by switching it off, or if you'd like to get rid of it entirely and for good, simply click on Remove here to delete the given extension from a browser permanently. And that's basically it, guys. If you apply all of these changes, you may increase or improve your browser performance significantly and maybe even fix some issues. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.